So I just wanted to talk about this little game, especially for those who like topics such as history, civilizations, culture, and especially Greco-Roman culture and art. So this game, it's called CivCity. Do we have it? No. Okay. Well, it's CivCity Rome. So it's about the Roman civilization, and this is really cool, like to improve your English and to learn about the Roman culture in general. Like the details are crazy.
Iron mining has been researched.
How he's like getting the water from the well, right? And then using the buckets, and we have lots of professions like this. First this guy with his water, yeah, and then people take the water into their homes, and once they get the water, the quality of the home improves. Like this is without water, this is with water. Now he's over. Better. Yay! Then level 2 is getting some food. So we have this little goat farm, yeah. And then we have this butcher. Yeah, he's turning goats into meat. So yeah, and then people take the meat and they put it in, like they take home these products. So this home, this one's
Governor, enemies have been sighted in the Empire. They are heading towards our city.
Enemies are coming. Shite. So better get ready for this one. Let's take this. Let's put it like maybe here randomly.
Governor, we have very little money left.
Yeah. So that's a big problem. Swordsman. Oh goodness gracious. So I'm gonna build something.
Good news, Governor. The Senate has... Hail, Governor. What would you like to research next? Research started.
Okay. So yes. Now let's look at our map. Where? Oh, okay. I have some time. This is their army. Carthaginians. This is Carthage, probably. Oh, it's a garrison of Carthage, so Carthaginians are going to attack our Mediolanum. This is the name, Mediolanum in English would say. Mediolanum in Latin, probably. So yes, our fair city. Fair city. How is it going? Yeah, let's do this. Alright. Just so this is the sword maker. You see? He's taking the iron from the warehouse. And the iron is taken from those iron mines. See the detail, like it's really crazy. I adore this game for all this graphic design and details. The temple, look at this, people get married in those temples, right? Yeah, really cool. So let's see how much time. Yeah, it's still recording. Okay, I'm gonna record further. I think I have some limit of over 5 minutes. So this is the priest, right? This is the temple of Mercury. A few temples. So first water, then food, and then clothing. Look at this, like tunic shop. This guy, he's a weaver. He's making tunics. Look at this lady taking her tunic home. It's so cute. Oh my god. Then after
bronze working has been researched.
We have this.
The Siege of Troy. Ah, there's a tale.
Making olive oil. Look at that. And olive is produced in the olive farm. Look at this. Look at this. Girls.
Hail, Governor. What would you like to research next?
Yeah.
Research started.